Yep.
I cannot wait to see how good these pictures turn out. A lot of people are like, yes, he did.
Randy, you want to get some more candy? We'll go trick-or-treating?
Maddie, wanna go get some candy? Whoa.
Randy,
You ready?
come on.
Go see Sherry? Let's go see Miss Sherry. Hi there.
Randy, look at the bubbles. Randy, look at the bubbles.
Sheriff in town, Max.
Look at the bubbles.
You're out of here.
I'm his deputy. I'll work for him.
That is so cool. They fill the bubbles with smoke.
This is such a cute machine.
Randy, look at the bubbles.
See the bubbles? They got smoke in them. Whoa! Uh-oh.
Shake it off.
You're fine. You're fine.
Shake it off.
Hey, that
Lions don't cry, they roar.
Right there you go. There you go.
Look at the bubbles.
Come and get some candy or snacks for him.
There's the Roman gladiator.
Well, you're gonna have to.
And I'm a Jedi.
Shake it. Come here, you can touch them. Touch them. Ooh, ooh.
They nice? You like those?